Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The computer hardware may not supporting boot to this disk. Ensure disk controller is enabled in this computer. So if you are getting this error, so I will quickly shut down my computer. This is an HP laptop, so we will quickly restart this computer, and will by F10 will go to BIOS. And here in the BIOS, after this one, third option, advanced, and in advanced click on device configurations, and in device configurations scroll little bit down, and you will see here lots of options, but in the SATA device mode you have to change into AHCI. So click on that, confirm. Changing this setting may require reinstallation of your operating system. So click on, sorry, I will click on this, I will make confirm, and then press F10 for saving and exit, and it will boot again from the computer, and it will not ask you this error again. So I will show you, just waiting for the boot, and we will see it will not ask the that error. So just wait, I will pause the video for a while. We'll click on next, install now. As you can see here, I can now create new drive. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo channel.